Are you interested in the designs of the previous picture? Today, I will show you the designs and function of this product. Firstly, you can see this product have a serious designs, but the common point is that their lamp body are the same. For this lamp, it's folded up and down designs, and it can rotate to change the lighting areas. And the special point is that it can be rotated in 350 degrees. For this lamp, we use the shape like pipe, and it has an angle of 120 degrees. That is to say, we can use it almost in everywhere in our house. Also, we use the aluminum material to guarantee the quality and match a diffuser to soften the lighting effect. For the light source, we have two choices for you. One is SMD light source, and another is GX53 bulb. This one. It is really cool, right? I'm waiting for your inquiries and welcome to contact UR Lighting. See you next time.